Hey buds! Today we're heading out into the backyard to do a little foraging and to learn a bit more about the humble clover plant. Did you know that the clover beneath your feet can actually be made into a refreshing beverage? Join us and capture a little bit of the essence of summer in making a refreshing beverage that costs you nothing at all. So clover tends to have leaves of 3 or 4 if you're really lucky, and these kind of ball-shaped flower heads. Now I've read a few cautions about clover that's fermented, so to stay on the safe side, I would recommend sticking to freshly picked clover or clover that's been thoroughly dried. Skip anything that's in between. So this step is optional, but today we're gonna add a little bit of mint to our beverage too, since we have it. If you don't, you can skip it, or you can always swap it and do your own twist with whatever herbs or flowers you happen to have that are in your yard. I think pineapple weed might also be a fun addition, but I couldn't find any today. Maybe you'll be lucky. And we do have a video on it before if you don't remember what that is. Okay, well this recipe is ultra simple. All we do is put in our clover into a glass jar along with any bonus flavorings that you wanted, like our mint. And then we pour boiling hot water over top. Just like that. So we're using a ratio of about a cup of materials to 4 cups of boiling water. Now we just wait for a minimum of 30 minutes and let it all steep. And once it's steeped, all we have to do is strain it and put it in the fridge to chill. Smells real good. And that is it. Once it's chilled, you just serve it up. You can add a little bit of lemon juice or some sweetener if you like. Whatever suits your tastes. So the next time you're in your backyard, take a moment to appreciate the hidden treasures that grow nearby. Now enjoy your backyard beverage, and remember, it ain't over till it's clover.